Worlt. That piece of code which all programmers have gone through in any programming language. That little, insignificant, unnoticeable piece of code is the base of all technology that we have in the planet. The Hello World has given us the best vehicles, the most intelligent robots, and even the Matrix. You're welcome, Neo. Come with me to discover the technologies and laws of the universe through the world of programming. Hold on, stop it. Let's go to the basics of how to do the Hello World in MATLAB. Yes, I know. The Hello World is something annoying that all programming classes teach you in the first lesson. To be honest, when I was starting to program, it didn't make so much sense to me to write the Hello World. So, why the hell do we need to print the damn Hello World? Well, it is simply because it helps you to check that you have the software installed correctly. It also helps you check that you can write the commands in the software interface and that the software is able to respond to those commands. So, here in MATLAB, we write the Hello World to check that everything is alright with our environment. You can do it either in this section, which is called the command window, or in this section, which is called the editor. Since the editor is meant to be the place to program, we'll write our Hello World in this section. If you don't have this editor window open, you can simply go here in New, then Script. To print the Hello World, you have to write the function disp, and in between parentheses, you write in quotes the text you want to print, which in this case is Hello World. Then you run the program by clicking this green arrow, save the file to whatever the name you want, and there you have it. The Hello World is printed in the command window. Instead of Hello World, you can write whatever text you want. For example, hey you, subscribe to my channel. We execute the script and we see that the result in the command window is the Hello World and hey you, subscribe to my channel. So that was it. We saw that by printing the Hello World, you ensure that you have the programming software installed correctly. And also, you learned which is the function to be used in MATLAB to print any text you want. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep on receiving more content like this. Thanks.